Okay, we're going to start by coating my Dutch oven here with some olive oil, and we'll add in the chicken. My oil is heated now, and I have here 1.5 pounds of my chicken thighs, boneless, that I am going to add into my pot here. And then once it browns, we'll set aside. And while this is cooking, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Chicken has been removed, and now I'm going to add in my carrots and my onion. And then next we're going to add celery, and I'm going to turn the heat back up to medium-high. And we're going to cook this until it softens. This is what we're looking like right now. It smells so good. And while this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead now and add my other seasonings. I'm going to use garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Give this a quick stir and let these beauties cook. I also wanted to add that I used baby carrots and cut them up in pieces. Now you can use the whole baby carrot and not even cut them up if you prefer. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, but this looks great. Now I'm making sure I'm scraping the bottom to get that goodness off here to kind of blend into the vegetables. If you see it sticking, feel free to add a little bit of chicken broth. Scrape the bottom of the pan if you see that. My husband keeps coming down saying it smells so good. Next, I'm going to add in my minced garlic. I have now mixed 1/2 cup of chicken broth and 2 tablespoons of flour. I've mixed this together, and we're going to pour this in. We'll want to bring this to a boil, so I have this on high heat. Now as my stew comes to a boil, I'm going to add my herbs. I'm going to add some onion powder, and this will be in the description box. Garlic powder, oregano, some pepper, 1 bay leaf. I may add 2 here, these are kind of broken. And I'm gonna add, and this is just optional, my Creole seasoning. You can use Italian seasoning or any seasoning of your liking just to spice it up. But this is what I use for this recipe. But I'm gonna reduce the heat, bring it down to a simmer, stir this in. And once this comes to a simmer, I'm gonna cover and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. Not completely cover, but just kind of leave it open a little bit. Okay, it has been 25 minutes, and this is what we're looking like. It smells so good. So now we're going to introduce our baby potatoes. And I've cut these into quarters. I'm going to stir these in. And now I'm going to allow this to cook for 18 to 20 minutes uncovered. It's been 18 minutes and the potatoes appear to be very tender. I'm going to top this off with some fresh parsley. I have my jiffy cornbread set aside. I love fresh parsley. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, and here is the final product. It smells so good, and we cannot wait to dive in. Here is the cornbread that I made. This is just jiffy cornbread, and this is going to go so perfectly with our chicken stew.